Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to speed up songs on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, open the TikTok app. Click on the plus button in the bottom center of the screen. Click on Add Sound at the top of the camera screen. Now select the song you want from the list. Once you've selected a song, click on the speed button, and we'll get this little pop-up that comes up. Now here, basically, the lower the number, the faster it is. So if you want to go ahead and actually you want to make it faster, you can do 0.3x. And what's going to happen is it's going to speed up the audio. That's pretty much how to do it. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.